Namaste. हमेशा खुश रहो students. Today I am going to start the topic measurement. So, from the course Assessment of Learning in simple language, to measure and show the weight, length, volume of objective in definite unit is called measurement. For example, weight of a person in kilogram, length of cloth in meter, volume of oil or milk in liter. But the field of measurement is very wide. Measurement is very essential in the study of science. Science is collection of information and observation about natural or physical phenomena. For each measurement, two types of knowledge is essential. Which quality or characteristics measured? Tool of measurement to be used. Definition: according to Thorndike, anything that exists at all exists in some quantity. Anything that exists in some quantity is capable of being measured. According to S. Stevens, measurement is the process of assigning numbers to objects according to certain agreed rulers. According to Guilford, measurement means the description of data in terms of number. Now, in these definitions, measurements only the quality of objects and activities have been included, and not the measurement of qualities of person. So, person are included in the object of universe, while the object are meant to include only concrete material. So, it is necessary to show measurement or qualities of the person separately. Measurement is a process of quantification. It means precision quantification of a phenomena or variable, but not the person or object. Now, here are some characteristics of measurement. Education measurement. The main characters are: unit of measurements are not fixed. There is no absolute or 0 point. Measurement is based on proper direction, but it is not directed. Measurement is helpful to evaluate the person. Education measurement is more economical than subjective evaluation. Limitations of measurements are: the area of measurement is narrow and fixed. It gives only information, not decision. The process of measurement is very complicated. In such measurements, we measure those traits which are abstract and very small or micro. Due to this, the measurement is not correct. Now, essentials of measurements. Measurements in any field always involves the following three essentials: identify and define the quality, attribute or variable that is to be measured, determining the set of operations by which the attribute of variables may be made manifest and perceivable, establishing a set of procedure of definitions for translating observations into quantitative statement of degree, extent or amount. Scale of measurement. Measurement involves quantification and assigning of numerals. Stevens has defined that measurement is a process of assigning symbol or numeral to the object according to certain agreed rules. Now, here are some differences between the measurement and evaluation. Measurement is an old concept, evaluation is a new concept. Measurement is narrow and less inclusive concept than evaluation, or evaluation is wider and more inclusive concept. Measurement is a normal word, evaluation is a technical word. Measurement is quantitative process, evaluation is a quantitative as well as qualitative process. This measurement is part of the evaluation process, and evaluation is the continuous process. Measurement evidence are collected in the measurement process, and in evaluation evidence are analyzed under the evaluation process. So students, you have learned about the measurement. Thank you.